Armita Putri. You can call me Armita. Today I will explain how to introduce yourself and the team as tour guide or will guide tour. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome, Miss and Mr. Let me introduce myself. My name is Armita. I am your tour guide today and introduce my team named Ita or will serve as an photographer to capture the beautiful moments of tour. Hi everyone, this is my name Istatin. I'm a team photographer and when we'll capture your moments. Are here to make sure your trip in Tulung Beach runs smoothly, comfortably, and of course, full of beautiful memories. Or if and today I will explore the beauty of Tulung Beach, which is famous of its can beach, amazing sunrise, and of course dolphin dolphin cruise in the sea. Don't forget to prepare your camera and use it because there will be many extreme moments that we can capture. We hope you enjoy this tour and of course our Ita team is here to capture your best moment on Tulung Beach. Enjoy the tour and let's share unforgettable memories together. I have to try and hope my experience here is useful and thank you. Of course, they say Om Shanti Shanti. See you. Goodbye.